5 o'clock in the morning. Getting ready to head over to LKQ in Chula Vista. We'll see what's up. I got the trailer all loaded up at the FJ, and hopefully we're gonna find what I'm looking for. Get some gas before I take off up into the mountains. $3.79 a gallon. $3.79 a gallon. California, that's all I gotta say. All right, let's get back on the road. As I'm pulling away, I'm looking at this. I'm looking at the gas prices and that sign, and then I notice there's a freaking Airstar helicopter sitting up on top of the roof of the gas station that I just stopped at. I guess when you own an Airstar helicopter, you got a $3 million helicopter sitting on top of your gas station, you probably do have to charge $3.79 a gallon for your fuel. Made it, 4-hour drive, LKQ pick apart, Chula Vista. This is the east location. It says that they have a couple vehicles that have an LS series engine in it. What I'm hoping for is to be able to find a 6-liter attached to a 4L80. Probably not. This place is, I've been told, is known for the pros that show up and yank all the parts out, sell them at a profit. I'll be pretty amazed if I can find anything 4L80 or even an LS engine for that matter. Even a 4-point grate. I'm not sure. I think I'm going the wrong way. Let's see. These cars. I've never been here before. So the engines in my area, they go for pretty big money. They're between 12 and 2,600 bucks for a 4.8 or a 5.3. So it was worth it for me to drive 4 hours. Unfortunately, today the sale was canceled. They didn't want large groups showing up. Definitely going the wrong way. Let's see cars over there. But it says that they have a Denali, a van, and a couple of trucks. I think like only one or two trucks. For those of you who don't know, Chula Vista is over by San Diego. It's a suburb of San Diego, and it's right on the Mexican border. There. What we got over here? Toyota. Only I was looking for Toyota parts. Yeah, the Corona, the 6-pack of Corona canceled the 40% off sale today. They got stickers all over the place. It's no sale, no sale, no sale. It's pretty crappy. Nissan, Ford, Mercury, Chrysler, Fords, Durango. Oh, there's a Squarebody. Let's go see what that looks like. Something else I'm here for is I'm hoping that they have a headliner for one of my crew cabs. The poor thing's seen better days, isn't it? Good. 2500 8 lug. Looks like it's been here a while. Yeah, there's a lot of Fords. Let's look at this. Yeah, see? There's definite pros here. Look at this. That's the work of pros. They jack this shit up way off the ground. Cut the whole front off, drag it out to where they can actually work on it. Pull this thing apart, probably 30 minutes, an hour if you get 2-3 people. Yeah, that sucks. Here's the van, express van. SLS. Check this side. 706. 706 heads. So we got RPO code. LR4. So it's a 4-point grade. Just 8 lug. 2500. Transmission, so doghouse has already been taken out. And no transmission, so 4LED was already pulled. That sucks. People know their value. A lot of OBS stuff here. Lots of OBS that I've been running into. And I think this one's gonna be the wrong year. Throttle body. Is it? Yeah. It's throttle body. Nice speakers in there. No, they're not. Aftermarket anyway. I'm seeing lots of OBS trucks. Here's a nice Suburban. Suburban. Pretty well hammered. TBI. 350. More OBS. Another OBS. GMC. Another Suburban. Wonder if this Squarebody's got door panels in it. Doubt it. See, tend to bring them in. Oh, that's not gonna open, is it? Here's that one. On that note, maybe it does. You just can't get them. No, this one's gone. Oh no, it's right there. Oh man, those are clean too. Those are super freaking clean. Seats actually aren't even in that better shape. It's pretty nice, man. Never seen an overhead console like that. Not on one of these. Wow. Yeah, this thing's, inside of this thing's in great shape. Looks like it still might even have a transfer case in it. So it's probably a 208, right? That's what it looks like to me. Might be a 205. Oh, I don't know what year this is. VSS sensor right there. So, 90s. Inside the VSS, I was hoping I'd be able to get the digital gauge because this is going to be a 90s. LBS 2500. It's got the transmission in it. Laser. Yeah, it's got the train in it. Can't tell from here. Looks like 700. So I've got the one plug. Ford Sprinter, Toyota. This is 20. This is a 3500. I don't know what year it is. TDI. That's so much. US box. Crew cab. Squarebody Crew Cab. Engine irons is ripped apart. Seats are in decent shape. These are definitely aftermarket. Alright, got headliner. And some of the trim. Some of the trim's busted, but it's not busted. Door panels are gone. It sucks. Good. Dashboard folded in half. Gauge cluster pulled out. OBS. Aside from the headliner, it looks like this is a bust.